Today we will provide a step-by-step tutorial on how to cook this as a family, and at the end we will provide a full recipe screenshot. Irish soda bread. This is a family favorite of ours. We love having this as a side dish during St. Patrick's Day dinner, as well as even having it for breakfast, because this is going to make a nice large loaf that you're going to be able to have a couple different times. So the first thing that we're going to do is actually plump the raisins. So if you go ahead and pour those raisins into the bowl. So we have found that by plumping and rehydrating the raisins before we bake this, you get a better end product, because these raisins are obviously dehydrated already. And by adding liquid to them before they go into the oven, it's going to lose some of what you add, but then they're going to be full as opposed to being dried out. So we have a cup of raisins here. I have a kettle of boiling water, and what we're going to do is just pour this over top the raisins, just enough to cover them, and then we're going to let these rehydrate for at least 10 minutes. You're going to see these plump up. Alright, now while those raisins are plumping, we're going to combine our dry ingredients. We got 4 cups of flour, a cup of sugar, a teaspoon each of baking soda and baking powder, and then a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. So if you could, go ahead and carefully pour that into this larger bowl. Great. As well as this. So we get all our dry ingredients together. And then we're going to carefully whisk them together. I'm just going to go ahead and do this. You're going to help with the next part. So we just want this not to exit the bowl. So we get these all mixed together. And then we are going to create a well in the middle. Okay, what does it mean when I say a well?
Like a cup in the middle.
Like a little hole, yep. So if you want, you can actually take one of these, and then you're going to go ahead and just press it down. Yep, there you go. Now lift that up. Perfect. So now from there, we will go ahead and add all our liquid ingredients next. Sound good?
Yes.
So we have all of our dry ingredients mixed here. We have 1 1/3 cups buttermilk, 1 lightly beaten egg, and a 1/3 cup melted butter. So we are going to combine all of the liquid ingredients, and then we're going to add that to here. So go ahead and pour these into there. Alright, so as you see, we started off with the spatula, and then you switch over to hands. I removed all rings beforehand, and sometimes when we make this, it's super sticky, other times not as sticky. We use the same recipe every single year with the same proportions, but different outcomes depending upon the year and the products. But this time it's a little bit more sticky, so we're going to add the raisins in a minute and just go ahead and mix it through. So we have our raisins. We pulled them out of the liquid so that they're plumped up and ready to go, but we don't have the extra liquid on the outside. So go ahead and pour these in. Okay, great. And now we're just going to incorporate these lightly throughout the mixture. And then we'll get this into the cast iron skillet in a minute after we grease that up. Okay, so we're going to grease the skillet for this. So go ahead and color the skillet like a coloring book. Okay, thank you for getting this greased up. Now we're going to go ahead, so can you help me hold this? So we have a 12-inch skillet, which you can make do. It's going to be a little bit of a thinner soda bread. You can also do this with a 9 or 10-inch cast iron skillet as well. Use what you got. So have this ready to go. Let me go ahead and score this with an X. Help that bake up nicely. And what are we going to do with this next?
Put it on the oven.
Yeah, no smoker today. Put it in the oven. Okay, so we got our Irish soda bread all ready to go. So go ahead and try this, girls. So we love having this. We have it for breakfast. We have it as a side dish with our traditional corned beef and cabbage. We have it room temperature. Sometimes we'll toast it with a little bit of butter. Love having it with butter. It's a nice savory bread that has a little bit of sweetness to it. So it's something that's very good. Any thoughts?
Yeah. I like the raisins.
You like the raisins in it?
It's very good.
Yeah, I think it's very good. I love this. So,
Yes.
does it get a thumbs up?
Yeah.
All right, thumbs up. From our family to yours, Happy St. Patrick's Day.
Boop boopy doo, it's DadBQ, the family-friendly cooking show.
Thanks for watching. Comment down below if there is something you would like us to teach you to make, or if you have a delicious dish that you would like to potentially have featured on DadBQ. We are building a family-friendly cooking community that we want you to join. First step to joining that community, like, comment, and subscribe. And visit us at dadbq.com.